On this video today, I'm going to show you the best and the easiest CPA marketing strategy that you can use to make money from home as a complete beginner without any skills and without any experience. This method is free, and the best part is that you don't need any skills, you don't need any experience to get started with this method. Everything is simple, so make sure you keep on watching till the end so that I'll show you everything that you need to know about this method. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos. Now let's get into the details. The first step is that you have to join a CPA marketing network. You can join Max Bounty or any CPA marketing network that you know. In this case, we are going to be using CPA Group. CPA Group is available worldwide, and the best part is that there are many offers on this platform that you can promote to earn money. So once you create your accounts and log in on CPA Group, what you have to do is that you have to find an offer to promote. But there are several ways that you can use to make money on CPA Group. If you don't want to promote offers, all that you need to do is that you have to come right here. Once you're here, you're going to click on monetization tools. Once you click on monetization tools, you can see these are all ways that you can use to make money from home. If you want, you can log content and then get people to complete offers before they get access to the content. You can log a video so that your potential visitors will complete offers before they get access to the video. Once they complete the offers, you are going to be paid by this website. But in today's video, we are not going to focus on those monetization tools. What we are going to be doing is that we are going to promote offers. So click on offer tools. Once you click on offer tools, you are going to select my offers. Once you click on my offers, you are going to see a page like this. As you can see on your screen, these are offers that you can promote to earn money from home. You can see a lot of different offers that you can promote to make money from home. But CPA offers, they are geo-specific. What it means is that all the offers, each of them has a specific country where it is allowed to be promoted. So you can select any offer and then promote it to anywhere that you want. So when you scroll upwards, you can see New Zealand. That means all these offers that you are seeing on your screen, I have to promote them to people who live in New Zealand. You can see a lot of different offers. So if you have a traffic source in New Zealand, you can select any of these offers and then promote it. If you don't have a traffic source, you have to click right here. Once you click on it, you can see different countries. Select the country that you have a traffic source so that you can get offers in that country to promote. You can see a whole lot of them. In this case, what we are going to be doing is that we are going to focus on countries where we can get a lot of offers to promote, and the offers must have a high payout. So that is what we are going to do. Once we get the offers, we can then find a traffic source whereby we can get people who live in that country to click on our affiliate link and then enter the required details for us to make money. The first country that we are going to be searching for is the United States. So search for United States. Once you search for it, you can see it right here. Click on it. Once you search for the United States, when you scroll down, there are a lot of different offers that you can promote. You can see a whole lot of different offers that you can promote. As I scroll, you can see them, a whole lot of different offers. But the offers that are allowed to be promoted to the United States, most of them have a very low payout. You can see a whole lot of them. So we are not going to be promoting these offers because the payout is too low. When we promote them, we are likely not going to get a lot of money. So what you have to do is that you have to search for a different country. So come right here, click on it. Once you click on it, search for another tier 1 country that you know. In this case, I'm going to search for United Kingdom. So search for United Kingdom. You can see United Kingdom. Click on it so that you can find offers to promote. Once you search for the United Kingdom, you can scroll down and then find offers to promote. As I scroll, you can see this is an offer that you can promote to people who live in the United Kingdom. The payout is $2.22. The next one, get your £500 gift card. The payout is $10.27. This is the amount that you're going to earn per every lead that you get. You can see the requirement is very simple: email and zip submit. So your potential visitors have to enter their email address and then a zip code so that they can stand the chance of winning £500 gift card. Once they do so, you are going to be paid $10.27. The best part is that this offer is performing very well. You can see it is performing very well. So what we are going to be doing is that we are going to be promoting this offer. If you want, you can scroll down and then search for different offers. As I scroll, you can see many different offers, but the payout is very low. The one that we have selected has a higher payout, so we are going to be promoting this one right here. To promote it, click on it so that you can get your affiliate link. Once you click on it, this is your affiliate link, and you can see the warning. It is allowed in Apple iOS in the United Kingdom. You can see it right here. You can see this is your payout. You can see the description of the offer. It is very simple. And you can see this is the title of the offer. This is an image of the offer. The next step is that we have to find a traffic source whereby we can get people who live in the United Kingdom to click on our affiliate link and then enter the required details, which is email and zip code. Once they enter the details, they are going to stand the chance of winning the £500. If they enter their details, whether they win or not, we are still going to be paid. What is required is that they have to enter the email and zip code. That is all that we need people to do so that we can earn money with this offer. There are a lot of different sources of traffic that you can use. We have the paid traffic source and we have the free traffic source. You can use the paid traffic source or you can use the free traffic source. In this case, I'm going to show you a highly targeted quality traffic source that you can use to make money with this offer. The traffic source that we are going to be using today is contestlistening.com. On this website, you can give away free items. You can also win a giveaway. So when you come right here, you can see promote a giveaway, post a giveaway, win a giveaway. Any of them that you want, you can click on it. If you want to win a giveaway, you can click on win a giveaway. Once you click on it, there are many giveaways on this platform that you can contest to win. You can see a whole lot of them. Any kind of giveaway that you want, you can get it on this website. If you want to sort them based on the country, you can click right here and then sort them based on the country. You can see those that are available worldwide, and you can see Canada, United States, United Kingdom. You can sort the giveaways based on the country that you want. You can also sort them by the entry method. You can see these are the various entry methods. You can sort them by the entry method. Apart from that, you can also sort them by categories. If you want giveaways under cars and vehicles, you can select that. Cooking and food, you can select that. Clothing and accessories, you can select that. But in this case, we are not going to win a giveaway. What we are going to do is that we are going to promote a giveaway. To promote a giveaway, click on promote a giveaway. Once you click on it, you're going to see a page like this. You have to fill this form so that you can submit the offer that you are promoting. So you can type your name right here. Just type any name that you want. Once you type your name, you're going to enter your email address here. Once you enter the email address, you're going to scroll down. You can see business name. So type any business name that you want. So just type your business name. If you don't have one, just type anything that you want. As you can see, that has been done. Once you enter your business name, the next step is that you have to scroll down and then enter the rest of the details. You can see right here, listening type. You have to select giveaway. Once that is done, the next step is that you have to scroll down and then enter your giveaway URL. In this case, this is where you're going to paste your affiliate link. So you have to go back on CPA group so that you can grab your link and then paste it right here. Once you come back on CPA group, you have to click right here, copy link. Once you copy your link, you're going to come back and then paste it here. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, you can see grand prize. What is the price of your giveaway? In this case, they are going to earn £500. So enter £500 gift card. Once you enter the grand prize, you're going to scroll down. Once you scroll down, you can see description. You have to enter some brief information about your offer. You have to write some brief information about the offer and then paste it here. In this case, what you have to do is that you have to come back on CPA group and then highlight and copy this text as your description. Once you highlight and copy it, you're going to come back and then paste it right here. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, you have to scroll down. Once you scroll down, you can see price value. You have to enter 500. So enter £500 here. As you can see, that has been done, 500. Once that is done, you can see end date. You have to select the date that your giveaway will end. So click right here. Once you click on it, you can select the date that your price will end. In this case, we are going to select January 31st, 2024. So click right here. Once you click on it, you can see January. What you have to do is that you have to click on 31st. So that is when it will end. Just enter any date. Once that is done, you're going to scroll down. You can see entry method. Once you click on it, you can see there are a lot of different entry methods that your potential visitors can use to get access to the offer. In this case, we are going to select fill out a form. So just leave it like that. Once that is done, you can see category. Click on it. Once you click on it, you are going to select the appropriate category. You can see different categories. In this case, our own is a gift card. So select gift cards and cash. Once that is done, you have to select where the offer is allowed. You can see they have United States, Canada, United Kingdom, other countries worldwide. In this case, our offer is allowed in the United Kingdom. So select United Kingdom. Once that is done, you have to enter an image of the offer. So you have to go back on CPA group so that you can get an image of the offer. So just come back. Once you come back, right click on the offer image. Once you right click on it, you are going to select save image as. Once you click on that, click on save so that the image can be saved onto your device. Once you save the image, click on add images. You can add as many images that you want, but in this case I'm going to add one image. So select your image and then click on open. As you can see, that has been done. The image has been uploaded. Once the image is uploaded, you are going to scroll down. You can see promotion package. If you want to promote your giveaway, you can select any of these packages. So they have the first one, which you are going to pay $19.99. The second one you're going to be paying $39.99. The third one is $199.99. Any of them that you can afford, just click on it so that you can purchase a promotion. But in this case, we are not going to purchase any promotion. What we are going to do is that we are going to post our giveaway for free, so that when we get people to complete it for us to make the money, we can then come back and then buy a promotion package. But if you can afford, you can select a promotion package. Because we want to post it for free, what you have to do is that you have to select right here, free. Once you select it, there is a warning here: you will not get enough traffic, but you will get traffic but not enough traffic. So what we are going to do is that we are going to rely on a few traffic that we can get, so that when we get people to complete the offer, we can make the money and then use the money to buy a promotion package. So just leave it like this. Once that is done, you are going to enter the correct figure here. You can see 10 plus 7, so you are going to enter the correct figure. In this case, we are going to enter 17. That is 10 plus 7 is 17. Once you enter that, you are going to scroll down and then click on submit. Once you click on submit, you can see your giveaway submission is pending review. Your giveaway has been submitted. They are going to review it. Once they review it and it meets their guidelines, they are going to post it onto the platform, so that you can be getting people to enter their details for you to make money on CPA Grip. So make sure you post a lot of different other offers onto the platform, so that you can get many people to enter their details for you to make money. There are many offers. You can select Canada offers, you can select United States offers, you can select other countries and then post it onto the platform, so that you can get the right people to enter their details for you to make money. That is it for today's video. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos.